General Psychology. Chapter 4. Memory and Forgetting. Self-check questions. The type of questions. Multiple choice item. Part 4. Dear students, please read questions from 61 to 84 and give the correct answer in the comments section. If you want to get the right answers, please visit the description box. Thank you. 61. Proactive interference occurs when A. New information interferes with the ability to recall old information. B. Old information interferes with the ability to recall new information. C. There is a lack of retrieval cues. D. Memory fades over time. 62. Retroactive interference occurs when A. New information interferes with the ability to recall old information. B. Old information interferes with the ability to recall new information. C. There is a lack of retrieval cues. D. Memory fades over time. 63. Displacement theory is most relevant to A. Long-term memory. B. Short-term memory. C. Sensory memory. D. Procedural memory. 64. Motivated forgetting is often associated with A. Decay of memory traces. B. Emotional distress. C. Lack of retrieval cues. D. Overloading of information. 65. Cue-dependent forgetting occurs due to A. Failure to encode the memory. B. Absence of the right retrieval cues. C. Interference from other memories. D. Decay of memory traces. 66. The trace decay theory suggests that A. Memories are lost due to interference. B. Memories fade over time if not used. C. Memories are actively suppressed. D. Memories are lost due to a lack of cues. 67. Which technique can improve memory retention? A. Reducing the amount of information learned. B. Increasing the time between learning sessions. C. Using mnemonic devices. D. Avoiding retrieval practice. 68. Which of the following is an example of proactive interference? A. Forgetting a new password because of an old one. B. Remembering a new phone number but forgetting the old one. C. Unable to recall details from a childhood event. D. Forgetting to perform a habitual task. 69. Which type of interference occurs when newly learned information disrupts the recall of previously learned information? A. Proactive interference. B. Retroactive interference. C. Motivated forgetting. D. Cue-dependent forgetting. 70. According to displacement theory, information in short-term memory is lost because it decays over time. B. It is interfered with by other memories. C. It is replaced by new information. D. It is not encoded properly. 71. Motivated forgetting is also known as A. Retrieval failure. B. Suppression. C. Repression. D. Both B and C. 72. Which of the following is not a theory of forgetting? A. Decay theory. B. Retrieval failure theory. C. Displacement theory. D. Enhancement theory. 73. Which theory suggests that memories are lost because of insufficient cues? A. Decay theory. B. Retrieval failure theory. C. Interference theory. D. Motivated forgetting theory. 74. The decay theory of forgetting was first proposed by A. Freud. B. Pavlov. C. Ebbinghaus. D. Skinner. 75. Proactive interference is more likely to occur when A. The new information is similar to the old information. B. The new information is completely different from the old information. C. There is a long gap between learning the old and new information. D. The new information is learned more thoroughly. 76. The ability to recall information from long-term memory can be improved by A. Reducing interference. B. Increasing the number of study sessions. C. Using retrieval cues. D. All of the above. 77. The interference theory suggests that forgetting occurs because memories fade over time. B. Memories compete with one another. C. Memories are actively repressed. D. Memories are not encoded properly. 78. Which technique is effective for improving memory retention? A. Spaced repetition. B. Mass practice. C. Cramming. D. Passive reading. 79. Motivated forgetting can be a result of A. Physical brain damage. B. Emotional conflicts. C. Sensory overload. D. Lack of attention. 80. Which of the following is a key mechanism for improving memory retention? A. Paying attention during encoding. B. Skimming through material quickly. C. Relying solely on rote memorization. D. Studying in a noisy environment. 81. Encoding information in more than one way can improve memory because A. It reduces the amount of information to learn. B. It creates multiple retrieval cues. C. It simplifies the information. D. It shortens the learning process. 82. Adding meaning to information to be learned can help because A. It allows for shorter study sessions. B. It makes the information more relevant and easier to recall. C. It eliminates the need for review. D. It decreases cognitive load. 83. Overlearning is a technique that involves studying only until you can recite the information once. B. Continuing to study even after you think you know the material well. C. Reviewing material only occasionally. D. Skipping over material you already understand. 84. Monitoring your learning can improve memory because A. It allows you to identify gaps in your knowledge and address them. B. It reduces the time needed for each study session. C. It makes the learning process more passive. D. It decreases the overall amount of study required. To get the answer correctly, please watch all videos that are found in Chapter 3. You can get the answer in the description box. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting.